What's up guys, Mike again from Soundoftristate in Folsom, Pennsylvania. We are back with the second part of our 24 Transit video. You can see this thing just got tinted, real nice shade. It's a 20% film, so it's not gonna be too dark, along with not too light. It's gonna keep the heat and UV rays off of these guys, along with some added privacy. We were able to keep the factory backup camera working. We installed a Kenwood DMX 1057 XR. So what that is, it is a 10.1 inch monitor. It has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. We were able to retain the factory USB. We were able to also retain the steering wheel control, so everything works just like it did from the factory. And then lastly, this radio, I'll show you the camera here. Another really cool feature with this vehicle, we were able to retain the heater controls where they show up on the original screen. So really slick unit, massive screen compared to what it had. It was only a 3.5 inch screen before. Now we have a 10.1. And then the last thing we did on this vehicle, we did WeatherTech floor mats, so you can see how nice these things fit. So it's going to help with keeping the inside of the vehicle clean, and it's going to make cleaning the floors easier, so you can take these things out, dump them, wash them, and then throw them back in. So if you guys have any kind of work trucks, you need anything done like this, please give me a call, 610-328-030. Thank you guys.